How to watch Max in the UK. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to watch Max in the UK. Currently, Max isn't officially available in the UK due to licensing agreements with Sky. However, there are a couple of ways you can still access it. You can watch many of Max's shows through Sky's Now TV service. They offer an entertainment membership for around £9.99 a month, which includes access to HBO content. You can use a VPN to access Max by connecting to a server in the US. This makes it appear as though you're browsing from the US, allowing you to sign up for Max and watch its content. Keep in mind that this method might violate Max terms of service, so proceed with caution. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.